Hey guys, Mike Dugan, your AutoCAD guru. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to enter commands into the program, and we'll also touch upon how to customize the screen a little bit by manipulating some of these elements that you see. There are essentially three different ways that you could enter commands into AutoCAD. You can use any of these menus at the top. You can do it by clicking on any of these buttons on these toolbars, or you could type your command right into the appropriately named command line. So let's take them one at a time. Let's do it with buttons first. So I'm going to go over to the Draw toolbar, and watch what happens when I hover over the line button. See that little tooltip pops up? That's AutoCAD telling me I'm in the right spot. So let me click it, and I can start drawing some lines. To get out of line making mode, I'm just going to tap Escape, and the command is over. Let me erase that. The other technique would be to use the menu. So I'm just going to click Draw, go down to Line, same thing. And the third method is to use the command line. I'll type in Line, hit Enter, create my lines. Okay, those are the three different methods. And if you're brand new to this program, maybe you've been playing around with it for a little while, you're probably thinking to yourself, well, yeah, those are all great, but that last one, forget about it. I'm not going to be typing commands in. That's for the birds. I'm going to make a prediction right now that eventually you will be typing in commands because it's just a whole lot easier. So what you'll probably wind up doing is handling the mouse with one hand and you type the command in with the other. And it's a lot easier than what I just showed you because every command has a shortcut. So in the case of line, all you need is the letter L, hit Enter or the space bar, either or, and boom, you're executing that command. Okay, that was pretty quick. So let me show you in the few minutes we have left how to manipulate some of these toolbars, because they're not fixed right here. You could actually move them wherever you like. So I'm just going to grab these two little lines, you can see right under my cursor, of the Draw toolbar. I'm going to drag it right out to the middle of the screen. And there you see it there. Now I'm going to drag it, let's say, up to the top here. And now I'll drag it back down. Let's say, for argument's sake, I didn't want this tool bar. I was finished with it. I would just cancel it, and it disappears. Now, how would I get that back? Well, it's simple. All you need to do is right-click on any toolbar, and you can see now in this context menu, these are all the toolbars that are available to you in this program. And if you see a check mark, that means it's active right now. If you don't see a check mark, that means that could be active. So obviously, if I had these all checked, there wouldn't be a whole lot of room for drawing. So you only really want to have the toolbars that are visible that you'll actually use. And the Draw toolbar is definitely one of them. So let me just click it to bring it back. And obviously, we're not going to want to keep it in the middle of our screen all day long. So I'm just going to drag that back where it was before. Okay, that's it. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Namely, click on that thumbs up arrow. Beyond that, if you're watching this video on YouTube or Vimeo or some other area aside from my website, go to my channel and click on the link that brings you to the site. And what will that do for you? Well, we have other things there that you may not have where you're looking at this video right now. There are free blocks. There are a bunch of PDFs. There are tutorials that you could download, all kinds of jazz. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time around.